Foundation Day is an important milestone each year where we show our gratitude for the wisdom, courage, and commitment demonstrated by those who contributed to the establishment of the school. It is important that our institution is fitter, professionally prepared, and always ready to convert half opportunity into success. We value our intellectual capital and nurture it through a perfect blend of the traditional as well as contemporary ways and means for the comprehensive development of the student's personality.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Blossom International School. Today, I am here to give a speech on my 10th Foundation Day. A place with innocence, enlightenment, fun, punishments, uniform, masti, education and learning. A place which is immortal in students' life. A place which molds one's future is a school, a Vidyalaya. I am too, a temple of learning, a child's second home. And my name, you already knew my name. My name is Blossom International School. Let me share my ups and downs with you all. My creation as a temple was very tough. But from then, struggling, here I am, completing my 10th Foundation Day today. When I was born, I had very few Arjunas and Dronas, but now I have many Ekalavyas who are dedicated and sincere to their goal. And I am happy and always ready to teach and see these Ekalavyas growing in front of my eyes, even suffering from this coronavirus pandemic. Thank you.
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे।
Namaste. Hello all. I, the principal of Blossom, would like to extend my warmest congratulations to Blossom management, staff, all my dear students and parents on 10th Foundation Day of the Blossom. I praise and thanks God for this opportunity to be together as one big happy family to celebrate 10th Foundation Day. Today, I like to express my gratitude to late J. N. Akshikar for his wisdom and ambition in establishing the General Education Institute, to all GI board members who have upswing the organization in several regions, and to the president and chairman of GI for the vision in establishment of Blossom. Commemorating this day is significant since this is the day to remind everyone about the excellent start of Blossom on June 25, 2012 and the journey to date. It's a day to look forward to what is yet to come. Michael Phelps had said, "You cannot put a limit on anything. The more you dream, the further you get." The Blossom standard is moving incredibly high year after year. This is due to the constantly evolving curriculum, outstanding enrichment programs, and incredible variety of extracurricular activities, which together provides our students almost unrivaled opportunities to access a wide range of educational provision to groom their abilities. In the upcoming years, children will grow and become efficient and smarter due to different activities, special events, and hands-on expertise under the Blossom tagline, "Learning by Doing." Education is life, and life is education. It's all a long journey. There are no shortcuts to success. It's always hard work that pays in the long run. We are all a family at our school. Here we celebrate national events together with the great zeal and zest. I highly appreciate the school staff and their efforts, commitments in providing all-round education to students in combination of scholastics and post-scholastics. Apart from striking for advancement in academics, the school also nurtures students with the good and proper attitude and values. The school offers countless opportunities for students to get into all sorts of co-curricular activities and community services to broaden their exposure and insights. The achievement of the school do not come easy. The drive for excellence deeply permeates in the school culture. I will like to take this opportunity to sincerely thank the entire staff for their professionalism, commitment to build a solid foundation for the school. I thank the parents for supporting the school, and I really thank students for diligent work and engagement in the school. I hope today will be one of the great fun and happiness for everyone. I wish all success to the Blossom future journey. Finally, I thank you all again, and may you be blessed with happiness and joy. God bless.
I congratulate all students, their parents, Blossom teachers, and General Education Institute management for successfully entering into the 10th year of existence. Be the change you want to see, said Father of the Nation Mahatma Gandhi, and which could be a better time for any progressive educational institute to change than in 21st century. This century is perceived as the century of knowledge, augmented by technology and media, and its challenges are totally different than previous centuries. For students, this century demands developing universal mind and not restrictive mind, questioning mind and not memorizing mind, cooperating and collaborating mind and not competitive mind, learning mind and not acquisitive mind. This century, friends, demand from the children the holistic whole brain development and not lopsided right or left brain development. Now, for this to happen, educational institutes must shift their paradigms and try and develop 21st century soft skills in the children. Soft skills like HOTS, higher order training skills, PBL, problem based learning, technology, fluency, media fluency, information fluency, the self and peer assessment skills. We at Blossom, we are trying to take steps to adopt these new principles of learning. Your children friends will get a state of art, spacious and safe infrastructure, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, a superb auditorium, nurturing and culturing library, and apart from routine physics, chemistry, biology, and computer labs, creative labs like robotics, artificial intelligence labs, and language labs, art and music rooms, and above all, the teaching which caters to all types of learners: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic, teaching promoting learning by doing, teaching addressing multiple intelligence of the children, teaching which will enable children to develop good life skills. So friends, I invite you all to rededicate yourselves to a new vibrant Blossom International School. Let's write a new page of the history with the golden ink. Thank you.
Hi everyone. First of all, many congratulations to all of you. Those who are connected with Blossom. We are 10 years old. We are running one of the best CBSE school in Dombivli. I will rather say not in Dombivli, in Thane district. As 10 year completed, dreaming about something different in coming future. What that different will be? One of the best school with a very good infrastructure facility, a fantastic library, and focus on all the three parts of education: academics, sports, and cultural activities. Our student should be a fearless student. The study should be fearless study. There will be a freedom of expression. There will be a small corner for all those who wants to celebrate their journey, not in academics, but in drama, sports, and other activities. Co-curricular activities will be given more importance, as well as what we are doing in an academic format. I know with the help of Dombivlikar, with the help of management and excellent teaching, non-teaching staff, a lovely student and their parents definitely will be ahead in this journey with all of us. I again congratulate all those people who had given their small or played small parts in developing this wonderful school. Teachers, they are taking care of these schools like their own child. Non-teaching, they are as well as helping them. A very good sports teacher, very good cultural activity committee, and all these stuffs are dreaming that this will be one of the best school. For each kids, whenever they enter in these premises, they feel like, yes, this is my school. I am one of the member of this school. The school is blossom like anything. Not only limited to the Dombivlikar, but the kids which comes out from these premises will definitely make a remark on this world. Make my word. Thank you everyone.
I, Vice Chairman of GI, would like to congratulate Blossom on its 10th Foundation Day. I am the person who has seen the growing of the school from bud to blossom. Whatever we see today at Blossom is because of an educative mind of the management and dedicated staff. I believe education is the key to unlock the world and passport to freedom. We always keep in mind that education is not just about spoon feeding, but about inspiring new generation to think out of box and foresee the future. It is a place of my happiness in my life and may be the best part of life. I once again wish happy 10th Foundation Day to Blossom and wish all the staff best of luck for the future. Thank you.
Established in 2012 with an enrollment of 34 students, General Education Institute's Blossom International School Dombivli is completing 9 years of imparting education. At present, nearly 700 students are enrolled and the school is affiliated to CBSE Board, Delhi. Continuous evaluation, orientation and all-round development of child is the main aim. The institute has provided the required facilities to the school. but commendable efforts taken by the teaching and non-teaching staff is the main key for the present success. I congratulate the principal and the entire staff for achieving the success and wish a prosperous future for the school.
जनरल एज्युकेशन इन्स्टिट्यूटच्या ब्लॉसम इंटरनॅशनल स्कूल डोंबिवली या शाळेच्या दशकपूर्तीनिमित्ताने असे म्हणावेसे वाटते की संस्थेच्या इतिहासात छबिलदास शाळेला महाराष्ट्राच्या शैक्षणिक जगतात जो मान होता तसा मान या शाळेला डोंबिवलीच्या शैक्षणिक जगतात मिळेल. भविष्यात ही शाळा डोंबिवली शहरातील अग्रगण्य शाळा म्हणून नावलौकिक मिळवेल असे मला वाटते. किंबहुना ठाणे जिल्ह्यात ही एक आयकॉनिक शाळा म्हणून गणली जाईल. शाळेच्या पुढील वाटचालीसाठी शुभेच्छा.
Hello all, I Secretary of GI would like to wish heartiest greetings to everyone on the eve of 10th Foundation Day of the Blossom. I wish the school to reach its rightful place in the education system and keep doing the work in the vigor of innovative approach and live up the principles of our founder Mr. G.N. Akshikar. Happy Foundation Day to all Blossomians and all its members. Best wishes.
Namaskar. Hello all. It will be a matter of great pleasure for us to congratulate all our Blossom students, parents and staff a happy Foundation Day. Friends, let us join hands and rub our shoulders with all in acquiring higher peaks of success for our achieving aims and objectives of our Blossom family and play a bigger role in the days to come. Thank you.
यादों के झरोखों से आई एक नन्ही किरण, जिन यादों से हुआ ब्लॉसम का जन्म. ब्लॉसम का वो पहला दिन, छोटे कदमों की दबी आहट, उंगली थामे महसूस की नन्हे कदमों की छनछनाहट. दिलों में एक एहसास था, हौसला था एक मन में, हम सब कुछ सही करेंगे, यही था ना जीवन में. हार जीत सुख दुख सबको हमने जिया यहाँ, कुछ करके सीखा कुछ सीख के किया, खट्टी मीठी खुशियों को हमने यही जिया. हौसलों की ऊंची उड़ान अभी है बाकी, बुलंदियों के आसमान को छूना अभी है बाकी. सबको साथ लेकर करेंगे सभी का विकास, यही शुभकामना देती हूँ. ब्लॉसम रहे सदा खास, ब्लॉसम रहे सदा खास. धन्यवाद.
Dear Blossom, celebrating its 10th Foundation Day this year. It has been quite an experience working in Blossom for the past few years. I look forward to learning new things as much as I enjoy teaching my kids. Blossom has made me fall in love with self-development and made me a confident person. During these past few years, I have made some precious memories and met amazing people. It has been a fun ride till now, and I hope to achieve even greater milestone in the future as a team. Though I wasn't around during the first Foundation Day, I hope to stick by for many years.
Education is our passport to the future. A good education is a foundation for a better future. Believing in this concept, Blossom is blooming from last 10 years with motto learning by doing. Dear all, I, Preeti Kulkarni, working with Blossom from last 7 years in admin department. A lot have changed in the way to work and connect with you all. Shifting from school office to working remotely in COVID poses a lot of challenges. Very importantly is be in the coordination. The core of good team is how well the members coordinate with one another. From physical to virtual with apps like MS Team and Entac will make it possible for you to stay connected. As per the change, we have to accept all challenges and move on and on to fulfill your requirement and expectations. We are here to serve you better. Being a member of Blossom family, it is a matter of great pleasure for us to congratulate all our students, parents and staff on Happy Foundation Day. Thank you.
नमस्ते. विद्या प्रशस्यते लोके विद्या सर्वत्र गौरवा विद्यया लभते सर्वं विद्वान् सर्वत्र पूज्यते. Knowledge is praised by everyone. Knowledge is considered great everywhere. One can achieve everything with help of knowledge and the person is respected everywhere. Child's first guru is his parents, but the school plays the most vital role in his life. The teachers, the gurus, mold them into multidimensional personality. Blossom International School is one of such institutions practicing noble profession of teaching. It is not easy to run the school, especially in the competitive and demanding environment. But the young brigade of school, right from the principal to the teachers to the admin staff to the support staff, under the administration of principal and direction of management, are tirelessly working hard to shape up the students and so the school. Along with the curriculum, school is ensuring that children get exposed to numerous experiences. The birthday celebration by waving the lamp, Grandparents' Day, Matru Din, Father's Day, Ganesh Festival, Deepotsav, Science Mela, Guru Purnima Utsav, sports are a few of the special occasions. It's pleasure being parent whose ward is studying in the Blossom International School. I am one of the parents experiencing healthy and communicative relationship with the school. This is equally playing an important role in success of the school. School is the most beautiful and precious experience of life. Blossom International School is giving such an experience from its inception. I would like to congratulate the school on completing its 10th growing years and wish glorious journey ahead. I thank the Blossom International School for giving me an opportunity to express my feelings towards the school. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.
नमस्कार, मी सुचिता गेवडे. आपल्या शाळेत 2012 पासून मी सेविका म्हणून काम करत आहे. ही शाळा नसून एक ज्ञानाचे मंदिर आहे. माझ्यासाठी सेविकेचे काम कार्य नसून मिळालेली एक संधी आहे. सुरुवातीला 2012 मध्ये मी सेविका म्हणून कामाला रुजू झाले. तेव्हा मी 31 सेविका होते. कामाच्या पहिल्या दिवसापासून प्रिन्सिपल, व्हाईस प्रिन्सिपल, वरिष्ठ यांनी मला खूप मार्गदर्शन केले आणि सांभाळून घेतले. कधी 10 वर्ष निघून गेले हे समजलेच नाही. आज शाळेच्या 10व्या फाउंडेशन डेच्या निमित्ताने सर्वांना हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one small step. I am glad to be a part of this journey since 5 years. I congratulate whole Blossom family for achieving milestones of 10 successful years. Happy Foundation Day.
Good morning all. My name is Chaitravi Rahul Shungarpure and I am studying in grade 7. Today I would like to share my experience of Blossom with you all. My journey with Blossom started in 2013. There has not been a single day since then when I have told my parents that I don't want to go to school, nor has the boredom regarding the school knocked my door. Studying with Blossom has always been fun, a blend of the old with the new, informative and full of enthusiasm. Thanks to our principal madam, vice principal madam, my teachers who have always come up with innovative ideas and brought the best in each one of us. My experience of Blossom could be summed up: B. Brilliant. L. Lovable. O. Optimistic. S. Simple. S. Serene. O. Outstanding. And M. Motivational. I'm proud to be a Blossomian and will always be. Thank you.
I, Drupad Tambe, and one of the student founder of GI's Blossom International School, am very glad that this year the school has completed 10 years. Our school has made a lot of changes from 2011 to 2021. It has done improvement on the structural and architectural part. In 2011, it was a simple two-story high building. Now it is changing to a huge complex, giving more space and more activities. Now our school, GI's Blossom International School, is affiliated with CBSE. Our school started some pioneering activities which makes it unique. The school conducts a yearly science fair and annual day which is presented by all the students of Blossom. The school also celebrates functions like Grandparents' Day, Teddy and Toys Day, etc. Our school keeps judo as a compulsory subject which makes it very unique. It also conducts competitions like sports, judo, essay writing, etc. There are trophies for the winners. There is only one thing that has not changed and will never be, is the motto of our school, learning by doing, which it is following right from the start. I am proud of my school. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I hope you all are safe. First of all, happy 10th Foundation Day of our school. I have just wrote a thank you letter for my school. I'll start it. Dear school, I got many things from you. A family, a friend, and a favorite teacher from you. I got to see many blossoming faces and you build up my confidence. I'm thankful for everything you have given to me. According to the Japanese saying, if a flower is to be beautiful, it must be cultivated. So for me, that flower was myself, and for my life, it was cultivated by you, school. I hope you all are safe and I'll meet you again. Thank you.
Do the difficult things when they are easy. Do the great things when they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. Blossom has taken its first step a decade back towards unlimited journey of success. Blossom blended learning open super source of mind, be it offline or online. Lovely is our school of all the talents in the world. Superb are the members of our school. Special it makes every day outstanding. It is always marvelous. On this special occasion, I want to wish Blossom happy 10th Foundation Day, dear Blossom.
We believe we children are the future. Let's learn well and let us lead the way. We are strong as we work together. This is what we learn from school. We are humble, we are helpful. This is what we learn from school. We won't let you down, and we wanna say, Happy Founders Day, Happy Founders Day, Happy Founders Day. Thank you.
On the occasion of 10th Foundation Day, I would like to sing a German birthday song. Heute kann es regnen, stürmen oder scheinen, denn du sagst es selber wie der Sonnenschein. ist dein Geburtstag, darum feiern wir. Alle deine Freunde freuen sich mit dir. Alle deine Freunde freuen sich mit dir. Wie schön, dass du geboren bist. Wir hätten sich am sehr vermisst. Wie schön, dass du geseinen sind. Wir gratulieren dir, Geburtstagskind. Wir gratulieren dir, Geburtstagskind. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Zum Geburtstag viel Glück. Happy birthday, Blossom. Happy birthday to you.
I, Rahul Jian, would like to congratulate Blossom on its school anniversary. Blossom is established in 2012. Since then, the progress of this school has been increased because the whole staff works independently. I am proud of GI Blossom International School. Despite the dire situation of COVID-19, the entire team is coming into the school and everyone is faithfully carrying out their work and duty. Online teaching is also going well. I congratulate the team for getting CBSE application this year. It is the topmost school in Dombivli and Kalyan because I believe it is due to the hard work of whole Blossom team. Keep on doing good job. I also appeal to parents to support the school and management in COVID-19. Students are our real asset. I assure you that your universe will not be shattered. Thank you all.
नमस्ते। आज के 10 फाउंडेशन डे पर मैं पूरे ब्लॉसम परिवार को शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ। देखा जाए तो आज की तारीख में हमारा स्कूल डोंबिवली का बेस्ट स्कूल है। यहाँ हर एक बच्चे पर मावशी से लेकर प्रिंसिपल मैम तक का ध्यान रहता है। मावशी से लेकर हर एक टीचर की मेहनत और मेरा विश्वास उनके ऊपर पूरा है। एज अ पेरेंट्स हम स्कूल में टीचिंग देखते हैं और ये मेरा पर्सनल ऑब्जर्वेशन है कि यहाँ का टीचिंग और टीचर्स बेस्ट है। एज अ पेरेंट्स मैं ये दिल से दुआ करती हूँ कि ब्लॉसम ऐसे ही डेज सेलिब्रेट करते रहें। धन्यवाद।
Namaskar. It may seem like Thanksgiving, but I am here to express my gratitude towards all pillars of Blossom. I appreciate the principal and vice principal for their compassionate association with the school since inception, all innovative teachers for their dedicated support, efficient admin staff for continuous efforts, and all able support staff and Maushis for their hard work and helping approach. I want to thank all students and parents for showing faith and become the part of Blossom family. Last but not the least, the holy place of Zushi High School, from where many stalwarts started their journeys of success. I wish all the best to the Blossom Parivar and end with encouraging lines. अभी तो इस बात की असली उड़ान बाकी है, अभी तो इस परिंदे का इम्तहान बाकी है, अभी अभी मैंने लांघा है समुंदर को, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है, अभी तो पूरा आसमान बाकी है. Thank you.